Welcome to a very special Bring a Trailer auction. This is co-founder Randy Nonnenberg's 1991 Lancia Delta Integrale. As a local partner for the San Francisco Bay Area, we're proud to be representing this no reserve auction. It is going home to the highest bidder. We'll tell you all about it after we do a cold start and take it for a ride. Originally a Japanese car, it found its way over to England where it was serviced by walkers of South Otterington before being imported to New York in 2016. It came on Randy's radar later that year and he acquired it just in time to take it to Monterey Car Week. In his possession, it's been used by many of the BAT staff at various functions. It's been meticulously maintained by the respected shop of the Pit Stop Automotive, including an engine rebuild in 2020. He also added those rare 17-inch compo motive wheels. Remember, this is a no-reserve auction. For more info, visit us at GenauAutowerks.com. Good luck!